Hello, hello, hello. I'm here for hashtag new to me, and this is hosted by Kimmy's Kitchen and More on YouTube. I will have all that in the title of this video. Please clickety click click. Show some love and support. All right, Lisa, what do we got today?
This is your processor or a processor, one of two.
Computer processor.
Yeah,
Okay.
The box looks pretty squished and rough, but it's still factory, that's a zip tie from the factory. So let's open it and see what's going on inside.
Open it up. And what is the brand of this processor?
AMD.
An AMD processor.
Yeah.
And what exactly, besides processing, what does it process?
Everything in your computer. It runs everything.
So it processes everything. So would it be like the brain of the computer, or would it be like the heart of the computer?
Probably the heart, because the motherboard would probably be the
brain. Yeah, okay.
Because that's where everything goes through, connects to, and this is
passes through that.
Yeah.
So that would be like the heart.
Almost heart and brain combined, I guess. I mean, it's doing all the processing of all the data too. It is. So.
Okay. Maybe that's the spinal cord then.
No, not that far down. That's the case.
No, the spinal cord, it connects everything and sends everything goes through the spinal cord.
Well, it was packaged in there good, even though the box went through heck. AMD Ryzen 9000 series.
Fancy.
9900X3D. That's the one we ordered. We'll verify the serial number, of course, too.
I will link this below if anyone's interested in seeing this on Amazon. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Feel free to go and check out Kimmy's Kitchen and More in the title of this video and see what everyone else has new to them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.